Hey everyone, I'm Baylor. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to get unlimited cash in Tugeta Supermarket. As you can see, I've got 5 grand right now, right? So let's open Cheat Engine, click here and select Tugeta Supermarket. There. Now we enter the network, our current cash amount. Next, click all types here and hit scan, then wait. After the scan's done, we'll spend or earn some cash. Then we go back to Cheat Engine and enter the new amount. For me, it's $49.50. Now click Next Scan. After that, click here, hit Change Value, enter your desired amount, and click OK. Then we spend some cash. There, and boom, we've got billions now. That's it. This was Baylor. See ya.